Are you incredibly tired of spending hours over a hot stove after a long, exhausting day? Revolutionizing your kitchen routine with a high-quality multi-cooker is the absolute smartest move you can make. Today, I am sharing the absolute best electric pressure cookers of the year to help you prepare hearty, delicious meals effortlessly. Let us jump in. Product number 1. Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multi-Cooker. When I want a highly reliable appliance that fundamentally changes the way I prepare weeknight dinners, this 9-in-1 powerhouse is my absolute favorite choice. I am constantly amazed by how the 15 customizable smart programs allow me to flawlessly tackle absolutely everything from a delicate, creamy yogurt to a rich, hearty beef stew with a single touch. The exceptionally intuitive digital display keeps me updated in real time with dedicated cooking time, temperature, and exact pressure indicators, entirely eliminating any frustrating guesswork. I absolutely love the pro-grade stainless steel cooking pot, which features an anti-spin, tri-ply bottom that provides perfectly even heat distribution for searing meats, like a professional chef. The totally redesigned easy-release steam switch guarantees a fast, quiet, and completely safe steam release every single time I cook. Because the lid and inner pot are entirely dishwasher safe, the dreaded post-dinner cleanup is practically non-existent. Product number 2. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker 6 quart. For those who want a remarkably capable and highly proven kitchen workhorse, this classic 7-in-1 model consistently delivers spectacular culinary results. I find the massive 6-quart capacity to be incredibly practical, effortlessly holding enough food to serve 6 people, making it absolutely perfect for large family dinners or extensive meal prepping. The high-performance 1000-watt heating element guarantees that I can completely cook meals up to 70% faster than traditional slow cooking methods, saving me an immense amount of time. I really appreciate the 13 distinct one-touch smart options, which beautifully streamline the entire process of steaming vegetables, making perfect fluffy rice, or slow-roasting tough cuts of meat. The inclusion of over 10 built-in safety mechanisms, including advanced overheat protection and an incredibly secure lid lock, provides me with ultimate peace of mind. It is a phenomenally sturdy and user-friendly device that perfectly masters all essential cooking functions. Product number 3. Cosori Pressure Cooker 6 Cutie. If you are looking for an exceptionally sleek appliance that prioritizes an absolutely effortless cleanup, this gorgeous silver multi-cooker deserves your complete attention. I am deeply impressed by the premium non-stick ceramic coating on the inner pot, completely preventing stubborn, burned food from sticking and making washing up an absolute breeze. The remarkably brilliant seal and vent design intentionally angles the steam release backward at 30 degrees, ensuring an incredibly safe and highly controlled venting process away from my hands. I love the outstanding versatility provided by 13 distinct cooking presets, allowing me to flawlessly execute complex techniques like sous vide or natural fermentation right on my countertop. The fingerprint-resistant stainless steel housing ensures the machine looks totally pristine and beautiful in my kitchen, regardless of how often I use it. Equipped with 12 rigorous safety features, it provides a highly modern, worry-free cooking experience every single time. Product number 4. NESCO NPC9 Smart Electric Pressure Canner and Cooker for Home Food Preservation, 9.5-quart stainless steel with digital controls. When it comes to advanced home food preservation and enormous batch cooking, this dedicated electric canner stands in an elite league of its own. I am completely blown away by the massive 9.5-quart capacity, which easily accommodates multiple large glass jars for safely preserving my seasonal harvest of vegetables, meats, and thick sauces. The incredibly intelligent digital display and preset programs automatically regulate the exact pressure and temperature, entirely removing the dangerous guesswork typically associated with traditional stovetop canning. I absolutely love that it functions as a highly capable standard cooker as well, allowing me to transition seamlessly from canning fresh broths to preparing a massive family stew. The heavily enforced safety lock lid and automatic float valve physically prevent the unit from opening under pressure, drastically reducing any risk of user error. It is a phenomenally heavy-duty machine designed for the ultimate home homesteader and serious home chef. Product number 5. Ninja HyperHeat 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. Rounding out my top picks is an absolute marvel of modern heating technology that powerfully accelerates my entire cooking routine. I am incredibly impressed by the exclusive HyperHeat technology and the massive 1200-watt system, rapidly building pressure to cook intricate meals twice as fast as my older, traditional appliances. The phenomenally wide 9.5-inch diameter surface gives me an incredible amount of room to perfectly sear large steaks and sauté vegetables without ever overcrowding the pan. I really love the brilliant Simply Serve pot design, which is completely removable, allowing me to take the deeply flavorful food directly from the cooker straight to my dining table. The totally PFAS-free, highly durable non-stick ceramic interior easily wipes completely clean, even after aggressive, high-heat cooking sessions. It is an exceptionally powerful, space-saving wonder that guarantees flawlessly cooked grains and hearty dinners in absolute record time. That concludes my comprehensive guide to the top pressure cooking machines available right now. Check the links provided to secure your favorite model and entirely transform your weeknight dinners.